the world from above. Right, listen up. Most of us spend our lives looking straight ahead, feet planted firmly on the ground. But have you ever wondered what it all looks like from way, way up there? Imagine soaring higher than the tallest building, higher than any bird, until the entire world spreads out beneath you like a giant living map. From that vantage point, everything changes. The planet looks so peaceful, so perfect. It's a breathtaking sight, a brilliant blue marble spinning silently in the vast darkness of space. It's a perspective that can truly change how you see everything. From high above, our bustling world takes on a different character. The endless blue. Now let's talk about the oceans. They are the lifeblood of our planet, covering most of its surface in a shimmering expanse of blue. From a plane window, the sea can look like a single solid color, stretching out to the horizon without end. But look closer, and you'll see it's alive with detail and variation. Near the coasts, where the water is shallower, it can be a beautiful turquoise, or a gentle green, revealing the sandy floor beneath. Out in the deep, it becomes an intense dark navy blue. These vast bodies of water are in constant motion, a world of hidden rivers and powerful forces. We call them currents, and they act like massive conveyor belts, moving warm and cold water around the globe. The oceans are also home to an incredible array of life, from the smallest plankton to the blue whale. Coral reefs are like bustling underwater cities, fragile beauty we must fight to protect. Flying for hours over open water gives you a real sense of scale, tiny specks crossing an enormous canvas, the shape of our world. Now let's turn our attention to the land. The continents are the great anchors of our world, rising dramatically from the depths. Each one has a rugged personality shaped by fire, ice, and time. Some places are incredibly flat, stretching for hundreds of miles. Then come mountain ranges whose peaks scrape the sky. From oceans of sand to dark green rainforests, the diversity is astonishing from above. Cities appear as intricate webs, roads, buildings, and infrastructure glowing with electric energy at night. Rivers are arteries. Trickles in the mountains grow to carve canyons and nourish vast floodplains and deltas. Dotted across the oceans, islands each tell a story written in rock, water, and ice. The map that lies. Here's something that might blow your mind. The map you've grown up with tells a few porkies. Most maps are Mercator projections. To flatten a sphere, you have to stretch things, especially near the poles. Greenland looks massive on Mercator, almost Africa-sized, but Africa is about 14 times bigger. Similarly, Alaska can look bigger than Mexico, when Mexico is actually larger. A photo doesn't lie. Seeing the sphere restores true sizes and distances. The shortest distance on a sphere isn't a straight line on a flat map. It's a curved great circle route. So when maps fool your eyes, remember, routes are planned for a spherical Earth. What seems most direct isn't always quickest. You have to think in 3 dimensions. Now, let's zoom in on a part of the world that really messes with our perception of distance. Look at the very top of the globe, up in the freezing north. There, you'll find the Bering Strait, a narrow sliver of water that separates 2 giants, Russia and the United States. On most flat maps, they look worlds apart, but here they're incredibly close neighbors. At the narrowest point, it's about 85 kilometers, 53 miles. Between the Diomede Islands, it's less than 4 kilometers. You could almost shout across. In winter, the sea can freeze. Long ago, a land bridge let humans walk from Asia to the Americas. A direct hop like Nome to Providencia would take barely an hour. But you won't find regular flights. Practical demand and politics keep this border quiet. No ferries, no bridge, no tunnel. Close neighbors, yet worlds apart. Let's swing to the other side of the planet and look at a proper long haul. Australia to the United States. This epic flight really shows the Earth's scale. Sydney to Los Angeles is around 12,000 kilometers, about 7,500 miles. You'll be in the air about 13 to 15 hours depending on winds. On a flat map it looks like a simple ENE line, but planes don't fly that. The real path is a giant curve, a great circle route, On a sphere, the shortest path is an arc, saving time and fuel. Planners chase tailwinds and dodge headwinds. Jet streams can shave an hour or more, or slow you right down. Half a day over nothing but blue, a testament to aircraft reliability and pilot skill on invisible sky highways. So when you see that weird curve, it's not lost. It's the shortest, smartest, most efficient way across our big round world. So why can't planes just point their noses at their destination and fly there in a dead straight line? It's a question a lot of people ask. We've talked great circles, but the truth is more complex. The sky is full of invisible highways, airways, fixed routes for safety. With thousands aloft, ATC keeps order like roads and traffic lights in the sky. Each flight has a designated route and altitude, no rogue shortcuts. In busy skies, orderly flow is everything. Long hauls must stay within range of alternates. Critical safety regs can add miles. You can't always go straight over the pole, nowhere to land if something goes wrong. Airspace permissions, politics, and overflight fees shape paths, a complex puzzle of safety, time, fuel, and cost. There's a magical moment on every flight, usually just after you've climbed above the clouds when you look out and the world is transformed. A white blanket that seems walkable. The sun blazes in a deeper blue than you ever see from the ground. You feel the wonder of flight and a rare calm. As land slides by, you spot rivers, roads, forests, farms, a living map. At night, cities spill jewels across the dark, flying from darkness into daylight, a sunrise that happens just for you. From your seat, the horizon has a gentle curve, a quiet proof of our giant sphere and those shortest arcs. So next time, don't shut the world out. Look out. You never know what you'll witness. When you see the Earth from a great height, something profound happens. All the things that seem so important fade. Borders, differences, daily struggles. What remains is one planet, one home. Blue oceans, green forests, brown earth. A fragile veil of air holding everything we love. This view comes with responsibility. We are deeply interconnected. Smoke from one place can dim skies far away. Plastic tossed on a shore rides currents to vast ocean gyres. Planes circle the globe in hours. Russia and America just 85 kilometers apart. We are neighbors. Like neighbors, we share a home to care for, from polar ice to rainforests to our children's future. Seen from above, the world is our only home. Spectacular, fragile, full of wonder. Let's keep it that way.